You know, every house has a story. The laughter echoing in the hallways, the quiet moments by the fireplace, maybe even the occasional midnight snack raid. It's where memories are made. But what if your house kept a diary? And what if in that diary, amidst the joyful entries, there were also scribbled fears? Fears of a burst pipe on a frigid January night, or a rogue tree branch during a windstorm, or that moment when you realize your smart oven decided to go full bonfire. No one likes to dwell on the bad stuff. But the truth is, homes, like lives, can have unexpected chapters. And that's where home insurance in Canada steps in. It's not about hoping for the worst, it's about protecting the best. Your home, your sanctuary. Think of it this way, your home insurance isn't a bill. It's a guardian. A financial guardian that says, if disaster strikes, I've got your back. In Canada, it works by covering the structure of your home itself, your personal belongings inside it, and even your financial responsibility if someone gets hurt on your property. Let's break it down, guardian by guardian. First, the structure. This is the bricks, the beams, the roof, the walls. If a fire rips through, or a nasty windstorm causes damage, your policy steps up. It helps cover the costs to repair or even rebuild your home to its former glory. Remember, this is usually based on replacement cost, not market value. What it costs to rebuild, not to sell. Then, your stuff. Your furniture, your electronics, your clothes, that slightly questionable art collection. Personal property coverage protects these items from perils like theft, fire, or vandalism, whether they're in your home, or even if they're stolen from your car. And here's a big one, personal liability. This protects you financially if someone is accidentally injured on your property, or if you unintentionally cause damage to someone else's property. Think of your neighbor slipping on your icy walkway, or your dog having a very enthusiastic greeting with the mail carrier. This coverage helps with legal fees and potential settlements. Finally, the unsung hero, additional living expenses. If a covered event makes your home unlivable, this coverage helps pay for temporary accommodation, like a hotel, and even extra food costs. Because life doesn't stop just because your house needs repairs. Now, for the homeowners out there, while not mandated by the government, if you have a mortgage, your lender will require you to have home insurance. And for good reason. It protects their investment and, by extension, your biggest asset. Don't just get the cheapest policy. Understand what you're buying. What are the limits? What's your deductible? That's the amount you pay first before insurance kicks in. And what about those uncommon risks? Because here's a critical point in Canada. Standard policies often exclude certain major risks. We're talking about earthquakes and overland flooding from rivers overflowing or heavy rain. If you live in a high-risk area, these are crucial add-ons you absolutely need to discuss with your advisor. Don't assume you're covered. And now, for the advisors listening, this isn't just a transaction. It's a foundational piece of their financial well-being. Stop treating it like a commodity. Educate, don't just quote. Many clients think all policies are the same. Explain the critical difference between named perils basic and comprehensive all perils and less excluded policies. Probe for the real risks. Beyond the obvious, ask about unique collections, home-based businesses, swimming pools, older home systems. These directly impact coverage needs and pricing. Address the what-if scenarios. Are they near a river? On a fault line? Do they have a finished basement? These conversations reveal critical gaps and show your value beyond just price comparison. Emphasize deductibles. Explain how a higher deductible can lower premiums, but stress the importance of an emergency fund to cover it. Leverage cross-selling opportunities. Home insurance is often the first touch point. It opens the door to life, disability, and even critical illness discussions, building a holistic client relationship. Your job is to protect their entire financial picture, not just one piece of it. Home insurance might not be the topic of dinner party conversation, but it's the quiet protector that lets you sleep at night. It's the peace of mind knowing that if your house's diary ever records a disaster, you have the means to write a new, hopeful chapter. Protect your home. Protect your future.